Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell her about the healer. Greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold her beauty and up to the sky. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army.
Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, won't feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Help me on my fears, my never since I disappeared. If you live, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, ooh, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can keep on losing the best of me. Don't worry now, wasted the best of me. All you been.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kamala, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, so this video is gonna be boring, because I won't be going outside because it's been raining since last week and we've been having online lessons. And today I was supposed to have just one lesson, but my lecture's laptop crashed or something. I don't know what happened. Yeah, so this leads to me not attending the lessons. So that means I'm not doing anything, but I have to read something at least. But what's so disturbing is that I don't have a table. I don't have a a chair, I don't have a table, I'm just there. Yeah, you know, it's just me. So now it's hard for me. And I even didn't go for Diaries school this week. Like today's Wednesday. I didn't go to Diaries school, girl, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and Monday. Just because it was good and I wasn't attending any lessons because we depend online lessons. Yeah, so now I don't know what to do. I just made my bed and I'm not trying to clock because I'm the type of girl that to God when it's raining because yeah, I'm just afraid. I'm just afraid to do it. I don't like nothing nice. So yeah, so I will buy the for because I'm not trying to buy college shoes. So yeah. I don't know what we should talk about. What should we talk about? Because my life is not interesting. The only thing that I'm figuring out is how am I gonna get to 4K which hours? Because you guys are not watching my videos. Like I know I'm boring. I know, okay, I know I'm boring. I know. Like don't tell me, I know I'm boring. Okay? I just need you to just watch it. Just watch and you know what's gonna happen. It's just that I don't even know. I just woke up in a good mood. I don't know why, but I'm thinking of like I don't know how I can make my videos so good. Cause most of the time I don't go out because I don't have money. Yeah, I'm being for real. I don't have money to waste. So I don't know. And Kape, you know, usually I go outside, man, but I forget to vlog. That's the problem with me. I forget to vlog, and it's so disturbing when like time I vlog outside. I know I'm a new YouTuber and I'm shy and I'm quiet and I'm whatever. It's just that like it's so crazy to vlog outside unless I have other people like friends or something. I can vlog, but if I'm alone, I get so afraid to go that way. I can't even. I forget that I have a YouTube channel, okay? And yeah, that's why I don't like looking outside. I don't like looking. Because I'm trying to vlog, but you know, sometimes I just ask myself, why did I create a YouTube channel in the first place? You know the worst part of it? I don't even know how to. You know what? I know how to edit, man, but I don't know how to be a pro editor. Like, I want to be that editor. You can see what this vlog is on. You can see, do you know those videos that you can see what this vlog is on, but the editing is fire. And you just watch the whole video, but you can see what this video is so boring. You know, like I want to try such things. I want to try it because I know when my video is not boring. I know when a video is gonna be. I know when a video is boring. Okay, and yeah, I'm trying to edit. I don't know how I'm gonna edit, but I'm trying to edit. But yeah, I'll figure it out. Like it's not that deep. Okay. Just that I can't vlog in front of people. Like guys, I'm too shy. Like I'll be talking in camera, but face to face, I'll be tired as fuck. I'll be tired. So, I don't know. I'm trying. But it's not working. It's not working. And I'm trying so hard to figure it out. How am I gonna edit? I wanna, but that I'm trying to figure out. You know, like I don't know why. I started a YouTube channel. I wanna figure out why I started a YouTube.
The lightning was hitting me, was coming fucked up. My shoes run away. Hey, I'm fucked up everything, and then.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me what we can't pick it. Run the track. Gas me up, give me motivation. Do every move, skin on the skin. No separation, need no conversation. Nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going table to a high, nah, nah. Right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking you too long. Right before I decide to go. I like you hurt me. Only step it up if you deserve for me. Yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the start. I like you hurt me. Only step it up if you deserve for me. Yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the start.
Come on. What's this? Yeah.
Deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the start. I like you hurt me. Only step it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the start. Push pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. No, pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. No.
Give me life, I'll change all. Prove me signs, I stay golden. On a high, bring me loaded.
Come over.
It's in the end, don't know.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain.